With your new Levoit Smart Ultrasonic Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier, you can refresh your home with ease. We'll show you how to set it up. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat surface. Make sure to leave at least 12 inches of space on all four sides. Now let's set up Smart Control. To connect the humidifier to your phone, download the free VSync app and create an account by following the in-app instructions. On the home screen, tap the plus sign, select Air Quality Products, and find your humidifier. When prompted by VSync, press and hold down the power button for 5 seconds to pair your humidifier with VSync. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Wi-Fi network. To finish setting up your humidifier, lift the water tank cover by holding the nozzle and pulling upward. Remove the tank from the base and fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend using distilled or purified water. Replace the water tank cover and place the tank back on the base. Press power to begin misting. To explore different levels of humidity, press the mist level button repeatedly to change the mist intensity. You may also select auto mode or sleep mode, or turn on the optional night light. And if you'd like to add essential oils, it's simple. First, remove the aroma box by gently pushing inwards before pulling out. Put 8 to 10 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad. Then place the box back in the humidifier. Make sure to never put essential oils directly into the base or tank. Now that you're ready to go, we hope you will enjoy the soothing atmosphere that comes with the Levoit Humidifier.